The ant and the grasshopper. Once upon a time, there lived a grasshopper who loves singing and playing. The ants were working very hard, storing food for the winter, while our grasshopper wanted to play and did nothing at all. The winter came. There was no food. The grasshopper was so cold and hungry. He went to the ant house and knocked at the door and asked for food. The ant was very hungry. No, 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 you were so lazy. The grasshopper was sad and felt sorry for his lazy behavior. The ant was happy and shared his food to him.